Please be seated.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Roshan. I am studying in Ramshu Technology. My major is EEE. My aim is to work in a reputed company which uses my knowledge as well, which develops my technical skills. I am interested in doing some stage performance and motivational speech and giving some motivational speeches to students as well as my friends.
So here we can see in 10th there's 86 percentage, and there's a rise in 12th with the 88 percentage, and then there's a sudden decrease in college. Can you explain why?
In my 10th standards and 12th standards, my teachers are like ringmasters. So I marked up the subject and I wrote what I marked up. But while coming to the engineering, I want to study with the concepts. I want to understand my concepts, and I want to do some extra co-curricular activities and extra curricular activities also. And I am interested in doing speeches also. So it's not meaning that it decreases my academics, but when I concentrate on both sides, I struggle to get good marks in academics. Now I am quite satisfied with that, and I hope the CGP does not decision that.
What according to you, or if you are recruiting an engineer, how much CGPA will you look for in that particular category?
I don't look for CGP, but I look for the person without arrears.
Person without arrears. Now our company has fixed a policy that we recruit people only with 8 CGPA and above. What does it take on?
Sir, sorry.
Our company has fixed a policy that we have to recruit people only with 8 CGPA and above. What does it take on that?
If it's a policy and rule, we have to stick with it.
Now,
So
how much CGPA do you have?
Above 8 CGPA.
You have above 8 CGPA. Good.
Do you like digital learning circuits more than any other subjects?
Why put digital logic circuits? I am going GAT classes now because I want to understand my concepts in a different way. So I can go in GAT classes now. They are teaching digital logic circuits, and I am quite interested with that. So I put digital logic circuits, and it being a passion towards it. And now I am learning.
I would like to ask you a question in digital electronics.
Yes.
Can you please explain what is a unit distance code?
It's a unit distance between a neighboring bit.
Can you please say the other name of unit distance code?
Sorry, I don't. I will come up with answer.
It is grey code.
Thank you for that.
So I heard that you said you are going to class. You are attending GATE classes now. So what's your plan after finishing if you passed GATE?
If I pass the GATE, it means that I will be working in a reputed company. It means that I will be working in a reputed company, and I am happy with it.
So aren't you considering as a reputed company? Aren't you considering as a reputed company? We
Yeah,
are
it's
recruiting you without a GATE score. We are recruiting you with a GATE score. So we are just interviewing you with without GATE score, considering GATE score. So don't you consider as a reputed company?
It's also a reputed company because some of the companies which recruits according to the GATE, it's a reputed company, and some of the companies which are not recruited with the GATE score, it's not mean that they are not a reputed company. They are seeking different talents from students, and I hope that I will be satisfied with them also.
If you clear GATE and if there is an offer from a very reputed company to come and join them, will you leave us?
If I work in your company and I think that I will lift your company, I will lift this company to the level what you thinking, and if I satisfy your motto also, I will surely work in your company.
So it's based on your thinking.
Yes. At the time, how I am, what's my position in your company? At the time I decide.
So you want a very good top position initially, so as to work in our company.
I am not interested in top position. If you given a lower position, I have a confidence that I will reach a top position, I will reach a top position and the most and I will become a successful person in your company.
So 5 years from now, where do you see yourself?
So
5 years from now,
You will,
where do you see yourself?
you will see as one of the major decision maker in a company or a decision maker in other if you in a other regular company. If you are in another company, you can see as a decision maker.
So in 5 years, you're going to jump to another company.
It's not like this. If you choose as if you choose me, I will surely after 5 years, or it's not me that after 5 years, it's dependent on hard work. If it's possible, within 1 year I will be the decision maker in your company.
So within 1 year, you want to come to the
If it's
position
possible.
so you want promotion so soon.
I believe in hard work, sir. I believe in terms of
There are
promotion.
people in our company working hard for 5 years. Our company has a very slow promoting policy. So you want to become a decision maker in 1 year. You are a threat to us.
After seeing me, you surely you change your decisions.
We've
After
already,
seeing my hard work,
we've listened to so many candidates say the same thing in the interview. Still they are 5 years working in the same position. Our company does not promote anyone in the first year. So what is your take on that?
I believe that I am not like these guys, like those
You
guys.
want promotion in 1 year.
I didn't want promotion. I am working in my job only and work given to me.
All our workers here are very efficient. It's not only you will be efficient. We do not have a 1 year promoting policy. Now what is your take?
If I didn't have a 1 year promoting policy, I am quite satisfied with that and I keep on doing my work efficiently.
I will give you a job, but you have to impress me. In what way do you impress me?
I want to if a situation is like that, I don't want to think about how I have to impress you. I will analyze myself and what are the steps has to be taken to improve and differentiate with other members in my team. I will look onto that and I will work on that. And if I different from that and I am successful among the successful people, surely I will impress you.
What qualities are necessary for an electrical engineer?
First, for an electrical engineer, the first duty has to provide a safety. First duty has to look upon the safety, and they have they should have more carefulness. That, for an example, if a software engineer, while they doing programs, if they have done mistakes, they can easily rectify them. But for an electrical engineer, if they have done some mistakes, the results was not can't be predicted. It will give the dangerous effect to the society. So the electrical should be careful in all the projects for all the projects and all the works that we are doing.
So you have said two things. One is they have to be give importance to safety, careful. Tell three more.
3. They should be innovative.
Innovative.
They should interested to save the electricity because it's very much needed.
They should conserve energy.
Energy, the projects should be that way that it's the project should be in the way that it saves electricity and more. They should always look up on renewable sources.
I would like to ask an analytical question. What is the product of 55 into 55?
55 and 55.
Let's make it simple.
2,700 2,520.
Sorry. It's 3,025.
3,000.
Your hobby is reading books. What kind of books do you read?
I already read a book Secret, and I read some. If you're interested, when I go to the library, I read some magazines, and I am interested in reading the newspapers also, and the books which was published by newspapers also. I am interested I am not interested in reading the more technical books. I am interested in books which motivates me. I read.
So, as I see your achievements, I see that your paper has been selected as the third best in Alagappa University. Can you give us some info about that paper.
My paper is about artificial photosynthesis. Why they are named as artificial photosynthesis means it imitates the process of natural photosynthesis. What the plants and trees are doing, it imitates a process. It's a renewable sources. So let's choose a topic to introduce about one of the renewable sources and the researchers what they are doing on renewable sources. Its topic it converts H2. It needs sunlight. It needs sunlight, water, and it needs sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. So they named as artificial photosynthesis. It's like a plate. It is dipped in a water. That is now water, and sunlight is also passed through it. It separates the molecules, and the chemical reactions are going on that. And final product is it produces fuels, and it also produces, and the fuels we are getting electricity. So only they named as artificial photosynthesis. The main reason why I choose the topic is it's a renewable sources. I also done a paper on renewable sources also, and I am also looking about the researchers on renewable sources.
How much electricity can be generated from this?
The efficiency is very low. The electricity production depends upon the plate and how the nanoparticles are coated in that. At last time when I see that the maximum electricity got from it is it's nearly 50 volt only. So only they are trying to increase its efficiency, and they want to employ it in certain systems which need low voltages.
So you have said that you are now searching and looking into renewable resources. So I am asking this question. So what do you think about solar panels, and do you know about recent changes in these panels, solar panels?
Yeah, I know about it. The solar panels, companies are in business solar. They are selling in shops. No, they have 25 years guarantee, and we didn't know that they have. We know only the advantages of solar panel, but they have also disadvantages. After 25 years, when the solar panel is got problem, when we throw into the environment, the whole land gets imported. It spoils the land. So only for solving this problem, the researchers are look upon graphene technology. I also put a paper on graphene technology. It's dependent on graphene because graphene it's named as a wonderful material. The carbon to carbon bond length is small. Likewise, there are many projects. Nantana. They are focusing because solar PV cells have only 30% efficiency, and lots of sunlight are scattered. So the researchers are trying to reduce the scattering and try to increase efficiency. And the solar PV cells have 30% efficiency, and the graphene technology what I presented has 60% efficiency.
So you say that solar panels have 30% efficiency at normal or during peak hour?
At normal hours. At normal hours, during summer seasons, they took a reading of it.
I'm sorry, but at normal hours the efficiency is about 15 to 18%, and that only at peak hours the efficiency is about 28%. And
I looked at that magazine also, but it's a magazine published by one of the university.
Yes.
They took that, they compared with all other renewable sources, and they took up on many factors also, but I didn't know about these factors. And the researchers what the university made, and they put a reading on that. At the magazine when they say they put a 30% efficiency from the solar PV cells, and graphene technology has 60% efficiency. So only I said that it has 30% efficiency.
So can you name different types of solar panels? Different types.
It has two types. It has two commercial types. What we are using. It depends on shapes, but I don't under the name. But I know. But I saw the structure. One PV sources in solar segment we use the solar panel. It's one structure, and the one structure. The solar PVs are arranged in the debate that is called polygon shape. Each PV cells has a polygon shape. So commercially it has two types.
So can you say depending upon the material used?
Depending upon the material, most of the PV cells are used upon use silicon. and its efficiency also depends upon silicon, and the rate also depends upon the doping of the silicon. When I inquired about how the rate of the solar panel varies from a brother who done a business on solar PV cells, he said that it depends upon the silicon doping. If you use the less quality of silicon, it has less efficiency and the price is less. If you have a high efficiency of, if a high efficiency silicon is doped within the solar PV cells, it has high efficiency, and depends on that the price also increases. Yes, sir.
Well, as far as I know, pure silicon cells, that is the monocrystalline, has a efficiency which is higher, which does not include doping, whereas polycrystalline, which are commercially being used now, has has the same efficiency but at lower cost. So what do you think about that?
That only I said, it depends upon silicon content. If your silicon is doped with some other materials, it doesn't increases it doesn't increases the price, but the panel you said that the panel price is less, but I didn't know that how it's results in a big variation in the price.
Do you think you are really tough to work in our company?
Yeah, I will do it, and I can do it well in your company.
How do you manage workload? Okay, so
With
you
the
say
smart-
company you have to, in our company you have to work at least, let us say, $12 per day. So how do you manage this?
I will usually manage because I like working for more hours. For example, if the college ends at 5 o'clock, if they have extra classes, I like to work because if that's possible, if it's needed that I have to work for long hours, surely I have a confidence that I will do it. And I also confident that I have easily managed my health also by doing yoga, and I am practicing yoga daily, so I believe that I can easily manage my health also.
Are you ready to sign a bond with us for 2 years?
Yeah.
And where do you wish to work? Which part of the country?
I am. If you put me in the marketing side, I will be quite satisfied with it, because I want to. I like speak with everyone, and I like to spend some products to everyone with a smile and better than everyone. So if you put me in a marketing side, I will be quite happy. If you put in any other department also, I will do it.
One last question. What have you done in the past 1 year to improve yourself? Past 1 year.
For the past 1 year, to develop my communication skill, I am practicing. I am developing. I got up at every day. I could get up at 5 o'clock or around 6 a.m. I am practicing English, because after first year during my first year of my college, I am not speaking. I didn't speak English well, so I am trained on that. And during some stage speeches to
Speak in English, you need not get at 5 o'clock.
because it's when I am doing at 6 p.m. lots of friends are surround me
So you're doing it till 6 a.m. without disturbance.
without disturbance.
So as I have seen your resume, I have heard that the languages known to you are Tamil and English. So if you put in a company where it's placed in Rajasthan or Gujarat, what will we do? Can you communicate?
Yeah, I will communicate.
How?
For example, if I were to say an example, if I want to learn Hindi, by learning by going to Hindi Ji and doing some Madhyama, and the shop, the lots of Tamilians also, when they are going to North India, when they put shop on that, they will easily learn Hindi during 2 months better than the students going to Hindi Ji. So I able to communicate with lots of North Indians, and I have a confidence that I will learn Hindi soon, and I will work on that.
Okay. Thank you, Roshan,